We'll guide you through how to unblock a contact or phone number on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So perhaps you went and blocked a specific number or contact who you now want to go and unblock, or perhaps just over time you've gone and blocked different numbers and contacts and you want to go and review them, potentially go and unblock them if you want to go and start getting in contact with them again. As otherwise phone calls aren't going to be coming through, messages won't go and come through. So if you want to go and start talking to them again, you'll need to go and unblock them. So we'll walk you through this step by step to make sure these 4 guides you know what you need to do. So what you need to do is go and head into your settings like so. Here we are. Now what you want to do is go and scroll all the way down to the bottom. And then you'll go and find the option for apps and you want to come in here. In apps, you need to go and scroll down. What we're looking for is phone. So go to the P for phone. So as you can see, it's quite far down as it is alphabetical, and then you can go and find it. Go and tap on it. Now you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for block contacts, but this will also go and include numbers and emails you've blocked as well. So we'll go and tap there. So you'll go and see contacts you blocked, and you can then go and remove them from here by pressing edit. You can then press the remove button over to the left and it will then go and swipe across and you can press it. If they're unknown, you can tap here, press edit in the top right. You'll go and see the remove button and you can then go and tap on it and you'll go and see it then says unblock to the right. And what you can do is go and press unblock and they're then going to be unblocked and they'll then be able to go and contact you again. So just consider that. Remember, you can always go and block them again anyway, so it doesn't matter too much, and that's it. You can go through the list and go and repeat that to your needing. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video for more.